Good evening, Paula. My name is Jessica, and I am a virtual assistant for. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I want to see if I can schedule someone to come out and put a storm collar on my chimney.
We can help you with that. Would you like to schedule this for the earliest available slot, or do you have a specific date and time in mind?
I'd like to schedule it for Monday, if possible.
Sure. We have available appointments on Monday. We can do 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., and 2 p.m. Do one of those times work for you?
2 p.m.?
Please confirm that your address is 5 East Barnett Court, Wayville, Michigan, 81992.
That's correct.
Can you please provide your last name to complete the booking? Thank you, Paula. I've scheduled the appointment for Monday at 2 p.m. Can you also please confirm that your number is 48299-992?
Yes.
Lastly, can you confirm that the service is for a storm collar installation? Any specific notes you want to add?
No notes.
Got it. I will schedule the appointment for the storm collar installation.
Thank you.
Great. It's been booked. What else can I assist you with today?